People want to know, can you attach a pop-up top to a corrugated pipe without a fitting? Without a 90-degree or not quite a 90-degree fitting? The answer is yes. So what we do with the 4-inch, we use our female. The pop-up will just press right on. You can see right there, these are pre-molded holes. We sell these fasteners, they're pretty inexpensive, extremely durable, extremely strong. What does this do? So if your corrugated pipe goes out to the ditch, instead of just having a corrugated pipe that just ends at a ditch embankment, and now you got chipmunks living in there, muskrats, you just go ahead and you connect this on to that 4-inch corrugated pipe. That easy. You're going to keep rodents, animals out. You can see the lid stays shut when it's vertical. So that's 4-inch. Here's the 3-inch. So the 3-inch, you're going to use the male, not the female. You want to use the male. I find this works great. You see the offset? When I say offset, notice how this is connecting to a 4-inch pop-up. It's only a 3-inch, so it's offset. So to have the pipe at the bottom, you want to attach it like that. Now, we sell these already comboed up in our online store. But I just wanted to show you guys, this is what it looks like. This is for a 3-inch corrugated pipe. And then, of course, we have the 3.5. So for those who are wondering how to connect a pop-up top to a corrugated pipe without a 90-degree or not quite a 90 fitting, you're looking at it. We make the component. This is a nice press fit. I like drilling a couple of holes and pushing in a couple of our fasteners just for a little element of security so it doesn't get knocked off by the lawnmower or something that you just can't really foresee. But it's fantastic. It keeps out snakes, muskrats, chipmunks, squirrels, all kinds of rodents. And of course, it won't allow the mosquitoes to fly in and out and breed inside your discharge line. So whether you're looking for a 3-inch, a 3.5, or 4, we got you covered. And no, it is not made in China.